Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to contact a real estate agent if you would like to ask for further details about a particular property you are interested in on the Zillow real estate and rentals application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, tap on the search button down below and type in the location that you are interested in, and here you can see the results. So tap on the relevant one that you are interested in. After that, you should scroll down to the bottom of the screen once it is loaded. It might take a few seconds. Then you will be able to see the real estate agent's phone number. So here it is. You can see the contact of the real estate agent, its name, the phone number. You can call him or her by tapping on this telephone icon on the right side. You can also email them, and here is a default message that you can send by tapping on the contact agent button. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.